I was just doing some experiments in the kitchen. I like jams and I like spicy foods, so I thought that I would make some spicy jam. I cut up some spicy hot peppers and then now I am going to cook them down and put them in the jar. Today's story is about cooking with Mom. Let's check it out while I finish here. Today we're going to read Cooking with Mom. While I read the story, follow along and keep an eye out for the sight words and vocabulary words. Watch how they are used in the sentence to understand their meaning. Are you ready? Let's go! Kana wanted to make dinner with her mom. They started by looking at a recipe for vegetable soup and made a list of ingredients. Kana gathered carrots, potatoes, and onions. Cooking takes time, but it's fun, her mom said. Kana helped measure the vegetables and cut them into long pieces. They put everything into a pot to simmer. While the soup cooked, Kana set the table. She wondered if it needed more salt. Her mom let her taste a small spoonful. It's good, but it needs a little more spice, Kana said. When dinner was ready, the whole family enjoyed the meal. Kana learned that cooking is not only about food, it's about spending time together. Welcome back. Did you like the story? Now it's your turn. Read the story yourself 3 times and find the sight words and vocabulary words in the story. When you finish, answer the questions on the other page. Remember to do your best and have fun. See you next time. Oh my, it's way too spicy.